Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Code with Konishko. So today we will know about the history of DBMS, its gradual evolution. So before we start, please like and subscribe my channel who are new to this channel, and also please share it among your friends. So today we will know about the evolution and history of DBMS, the first use of DBMS and example of some DBMS. So the history of DBMS or the database management system can be traced back to the 1960s when the need for effective and efficient data management arose due to increasing data complexity and growth. The following are a brief timeline. 1960, the concept of database was first introduced, and the first commercial DBMS software, integrated data store, that is IDS, was developed by IBM. Please note this name. In 1970, the first relational database management system, RDBMS, System R, was developed by IBM, again by IBM. Note these things. The SQL structure query language was introduced and became the standard language for managing relational database. So it happened in 1970s. Now in 1980s, the first commercially available RDBMS Oracle was released, which was also released by IBM. IBM releases its DB2 RDBMS. The first open source RDBMS MySQL was also released. So it was released in 1980s, which we are using now. Now in 1990s, Microsoft introduced its SQL Server RDBMS. The popularity of RDBMS continues to grow, and new data management technologies such as object-oriented database management system and object relational database management system emerged. In 2000, the concept of NoSQL database emerged, which offered a different approach to data management than traditional RDBMS. The popularity of cloud computing increases, which we will learn after some videos. And finally, in the 2010, the trend of big data emerged, and new DBMS technologies such as Hadoop and NoSQL databases was developed to handle it. So, and it will continue, it will never end. Today, DBMS continues to evolve and provide new and improved ways of managing and storing data. The choice of DBMS depends on the specific need of an organization, such as the type and volume of the data, scalability requirement, and the desired level security. So, now we will know about the first use of DBMS. I have already told that the first use of DBMS was in the 1960s, that is integrated data store, that is IDS, which was developed by IBM. IDS was a hierarchical database management system that was designed to store and manage large amount of data. It was used primarily by governments. At that time, it was used by governments or corporate large sector, not by a single person and other organizations. Now, let's know some examples. The first one will be surely MySQL, which is an open source relational database management system. There are some other examples also, like the Oracle database, a commercial relational database management system. The third one can be Microsoft SQL Server, a commercial relational database management system which was developed by Microsoft. Fourth one is PostgreSQL, an open source object-oriented relational database management system. Fifth one will be MongoDB, an open source NoSQL database oriented database management system. Cassandra is also a famous one, which is an open source NoSQL column oriented database management system. We can also say Firebase real-time database, a cloud-hosted NoSQL database offered by Google. IBM DB2, I have already told, a commercial relational database management system offered by IBM. Another one can be Redis, an open source in-memory data structure store that can be used as database cache and memory broker. Some other are also there, like SQLite library that provides a relational database. So, a database management is a software design that is designed to manage the storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data in a database. It provides to interact with the database. There are various types of DBMS, including relational, NoSQL, in-memory, graph, and document array, blah blah blah. The choice of a DBMS depends on the specific requirements of a project. And thank you.